So we're having the plane turned around because the wind is pretty much right down the pipe, and Derek is just a little concerned that during startup we might have a little bit of potential for some flames to come out the back of the engine here, just with how hot it is and stuff. So hopefully, you know, moving it back this way here is probably the smartest thing to do, so that we're not, obviously throwing that back into the engine.
500 Romeo Bravo, runway 8 right, check the uniform Lima Mike.
Okay, uniform Lima Mike to runway 8 right, November 500 Romeo Bravo X.
Music creeps into my dreams, wakes me into sweaty sheets.
Number 500 Romeo Bravo, flight runway heading, climb maintain 17,000, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff, wind 14010, go to 15.
Okay, runway heading, climb and maintain 17,000, cleared for takeoff, runway 8 right, November 0 Romeo Bravo.
Southwest 2315 behind you, third F-18 for second, check. Runway 22,
Stop this get fight. Stop this get fight.
November 0 Romeo Bravo, turning left, heading 040, climb maintain 17,000.
040 17,000, November 0 Romeo Bravo. 407. It's pretty cool going through a cloud like that.
Oh yeah?
Especially from the front.
A little faster, huh, than what you're used to?
This is an altitude see from the air.
Pretty cool sitting up front, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, I know you've been time flying, but it's
2021
it's a little different when
descend VRV, ping 1 arrival, runway 25 left, accept maintain 290 knots or greater. 290 knots or greater, send via the ping 1, Southwest 2021. November 0 Romeo Bravo, contact Phoenix approach 128.65.
12865, November 0 Romeo Bravo. Phoenix approach number 500 Romeo Bravo is out of 13,000, sending the C5 left transition information here.
Number 500 Romeo Bravo, Phoenix approach, expect runway 25 left.
C5 left.
Number 500 Romeo Bravo, contact approach 126.6.
2660 Romeo Bravo, good day.
Thanks. Join Southwest 2021.
Search number 500 Romeo Bravo is 8,700 to 10 or better on the speed.
Number 500 Romeo Bravo, Phoenix approach, expect runway 25 left.
Yeah, 25 left.
Well, float ran, so it's going to do anyways, it's plus 3.
Nice one.
Hotel 3.
Okay.
November 0 Romeo Bravo, turn left, Hotel 3, safe parking.
Swift.
Hotel 3 and Swift 0 Romeo Bravo.
0 Romeo Bravo, Roger. Taxi Hotel into Swift, remain the circuit, stay out the way, have a nice day.
Hotel to Swift, this frequency 0 Romeo Bravo.
25 right, cleared for takeoff. Southwest 1627, we got about 30 seconds before we can advance thrust, is that okay?
South 1627, Roger. Hold short runway 25 right and disadvise ready.
Hold short to 25 right, and we need about 15 seconds now.
South 303, turn right, hold short of runway 25 right.
500.
Roll left in 6.
Wind 100 at 8. Departure 015, appreciate the hustle. Contact SoCal departure 134.2, stay flight.
Thank you, 134.2015.
T90 Romeo Bravo, turn right Kilo, remaining 2 seat taxi, 2 Castle custody, Alpha, good day.
Right turn Kilo, Castle custody, Alpha with you. Beyond 0 Romeo Bravo, good day. Floyd Mayweather's airplane.